Hello, welcome to Extend Office. This tutorial will provide some tricks for unhiding columns in Excel. Here, I will talk about how to unhide specific columns, all columns, first columns and more other operations. Unhide specific columns. Method 1, with right-click menu. For example, here, I want to unhide column B and column C. Select the columns from column A to column D. Then, right-click the selection and choose Unhide from the context menu. Now, the specific hidden columns column B and C are displayed at once. Method 2, with a simple tool, Kutools. Click Kutools, Navigation, Column List to open the column list pane. All columns in the used range are listed into the pane. The hidden column lines are displayed with gray color. Click the short line icon to unhide the selected column. Method 3, by dragging the mouse. For example, here, I want to unhide column B and column C. Select the columns from column A to column D. Put the mouse between column A and D. You will see a double-sided arrow. Then, drag the mouse to the right to expand the hidden columns. This section will talk about how to unhide all columns in a worksheet. Method 1, with right-click menu. Click the small triangle in the upper left corner of the worksheet to select the entire worksheet. Then, right-click any one of the columns heading and choose Unhide. Now, all the hidden columns in the worksheet are shown at once. Method 2, with one click by Kutools. Please click Kutools, Navigation, Column List to open the column list pane. All columns in the used range are listed into the pane. The hidden column lines are displayed with gray color. Now, click the toggle to unhide Hide All Hidden Columns button to show all hidden columns. Click the button again will hide the columns once more. Method 3, with Format menu. Click the small triangle in the upper left corner of the worksheet to select the entire worksheet. Then, select Format, Hide Unhide Columns under the Home tab. Now, all hidden columns in current worksheet are shown immediately. If the first column is not displayed in the worksheet, unhiding it can be a bit tricky. This section will talk about 3 tricks to solve this issue. Method 1, by dragging the mouse. Put the cursor on the left edge of column B, and the cursor will change into a double-sided arrow. Then, hold the left key of the mouse and drag it to the right to expand the hidden column A. Method 2, with right-click menu. Click on the header of column B to select it. Then drag the mouse to the left until you see the border change its color. Then, right-click the selection and choose Unhide option from the context menu. Now, the first column is displayed at once. Method 3, with built-in features. In the name box, type A1 and then press Enter key. Now, cell A1 is selected even though you can't see it. Select Format, Hide Unhide Columns under the Home tab. Now, the first column is displayed at once. Locate the hidden columns. If you have a large number of hidden columns, sometimes, you may want to locate where the hidden columns are. Press the Alt and semicolon keys, all visible cells are selected. The column borders adjacent to the hidden columns will appear with a whitish color, making them stand out from the rest of the columns. Unhide columns not working. Occasionally, you might come across some hidden columns that cannot be unhide using the usual methods. There are generally 2 reasons. Column width is very small or worksheet is protected. Reason 1, column width is very small. Here, the width of column D is very small. When you try to unhide the columns using the Unhide option from right-click menu, the column remains hidden. To solve this issue, select the columns that contain the columns in between that you want to display. Put the mouse between column C and E, you will see a double-sided arrow. Then, drag the mouse to the right to expand the hidden column. Reason 2, worksheet is protected. Another possible reason why you are unable to unhide columns is that the worksheet you are working on is protected. When you want to apply the Unhide option from the right-click menu, the Unhide option become gray and can't be used. In this case, to solve this issue, go to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. Then, enter the password if you know. Now, you can use the Unhide option from the right-click menu. Thanks for watching.